Morning, YouTube. You guys are doing great on this Monday. Got to get this workout in. I'm gonna do another interval, um, high interval training. Do a little bike. Do a little push-ups, sit-ups, pull-ups. Maybe do some arms. But yeah, hope you guys are doing great and accomplishing your goals, staying safe. And I'll talk with you guys after this workout. All right, YouTube, got that workout in. Like I said, I did a little interval training and whatnot, and it's good. About to get this day started. Got 3 more weeks of this orientation for this at-home nursing job, care coach job. But I hope you guys are doing great, having a good Monday. I'll probably do a video later. I found this recipe for low-fat, low-carb. I think it's barbecue chicken crock pot recipe. It's real simple, but probably do a video for that later on once I'm getting ready to throw it all in a crock pot, share the recipe with you guys. But hope you have a good day, and I'll chat with you later.